video, I'm partnering up with Urban Outfitters. I absolutely love their stuff, so I'm excited to share with you guys this little room makeover that I did. Their items work really well in pretty much any type of space, but my space is on the smaller side, and I find that their items work amazingly well in a smaller space. So everything that I used will be linked in the description box down below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn those post notifications on so you never miss a video, and let's jump right into it. So this is a small space that we are going to be working with and sprucing up. I found the quickest way to really brighten up the area was to add in a lighter rug. So this is the one that I chose. I really love how soft it is under your feet, and I love that it has like a minimal pop of color. So then after that, I just added this hanging lamp. I had always wanted one for my space, and then this plant. You guys have seen it in a lot of my videos. I get a lot of questions on it. It is actually real, and this is a bird of paradise plant. And I just got that at a local nursery. So the next thing we're moving on to are pillows, which is actually one of my favorite things to pick up at Urban Outfitters. I find that all of their pillows are really unique and pillows that you're not going to see other places. Like, this is a sloth pillow. Have you guys ever seen a sloth pillow somewhere? Definitely not. And then I felt like the pillows were a little plain, so I added in this like honey golden throw just to tie it all in together, again adding that nice little pop of color, and that's a really soft little throw to keep yourself warm when you're lounging around watching TV. Wall art can get pretty pricey. That's why I like to go with tapestries, because they can really cover up a large space and they're budget friendly. So that is what I did here. I just added this tapestry. It almost looks like it's like hand drawn with a pen, which I found really, really cool. So then I just went and added in a different coffee table than what I already had. I wanted to add some more wood into the space as opposed to my old marble coffee table. Then of course I added my favorite amber and moss candle. This triangle and geo decor are also pieces that I already currently had from Urban Outfitters. So I just wanted to keep the coffee table actually really minimal, just again maximize the space, make the space look a little bit larger than it actually is. So that is all I had to do for this small space room makeover. As you can see, this can be done in about as little as 15 minutes. You don't need a lot of stuff, and you can really work all of these different pieces together. You can also mix and match them around your home, so if you ever want to spice up different areas, all of these pieces are awesome for that. As I mentioned, I will link everything in the description box down below for you guys, so it's super easy to find. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. And if you guys want to see more small spaces videos, you can let me know what small space you want to see in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!